Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So basically in today's video we are learning some tips and tricks about watercolor. So I am going to show you the shade card, the basic colors which you use in watercolor. So now I am painting Prussian blue. You can see that it has a darker tone. Next I am going to be painting cobalt blue. After which I am painting crimson lake, which is kind of pink. Then we are painting scarlet lake, which is equivalent to red color. Then we have our yellows, which is the gamboge hue, the dark yellow. Moving further, we have lemon yellow, also known as the light yellow color. Then we have yellow ochre and burnt sienna, which is like brown color. Last pair in our shade card is green color. So we have Verdian hue and sap green. Apart from this, in basic colors we have Chinese white, which is a white color, and black color, which is known as ivory black. So it's similar to a black color. I hope you guys liked my video. I'll also be sharing various techniques like stamping, tapping, gradient shades, monochromatic shades. Stay tuned for further videos. I hope you like this one. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.